over there. So at least the lanes are a little wider for sure.
Definitely, for sure, yeah.
So I'm not sure when it's all going to be completely done, but
Yeah. It was supposed to be ready 2 years ago, so probably another, I say another half a year anyways. Wait and see. I don't know where we're going here, and we can't turn, so okay.
well, at least now we know where it comes out. We should have went the other one. Should have went the old bridge, but anyways, all
That's
good.
okay.
Okay, guys. Thanks for the drive. Take care and
Take care.
have a wonderful weekend.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.